Welcome to 1977 Post Drive Northeast in Belmont, Michigan. This property offers the perfect blend of space, privacy, and convenience, all situated on over 2 acres of beautifully landscaped land. From the moment you arrive, you'll notice the well-maintained exterior featuring a 50-year shingle roof installed in 2012 and a spacious 3-stall attached garage with a concrete addition to the driveway for RV parking, ideal for those who love adventure. Let's step inside and take a closer look at the 3,500 square feet of living space this home has to offer. The main level greets you with hardwood floors that were just installed 5 years ago, adding warmth and character to the space. The living room is a comfortable and inviting area, complete with a fireplace, crown molding, and valance lighting that creates the perfect ambience for everyday living and hosting guests. Moving into the heart of the home, the kitchen. Remodeled in 2018, this kitchen is both functional and stylish, designed with a modern cook in mind. You'll find custom drawers, including a baking drawer and pan drawer, along with newly added epoxy countertops from 2024. The kitchen also features newer appliances. A unique touch is the automatic ambient lighting under the cabinets, providing soft glow that enhances the kitchen's atmosphere. Adjacent to the kitchen is the formal dining room, perfect for hosting dinners and celebrations with family and friends. The main floor also offers a separate office or rec space, providing flexibility whether you need a quiet place to work or an area to relax and unwind. Let's head upstairs where you'll find the primary bedroom, a peaceful retreat featuring hardwood floors and plenty of natural light, complete with walk-in cedar closet. The upper level also boasts new carpet installed just 5 years ago, providing a fresh and cozy feel. With a total of 5 bedrooms and 3.5 bathrooms, there's ample space for family and guests. Don't miss the fully finished walkout basement where the 5th bedroom is located, offering privacy and convenience with direct access to the backyard. Now, let's explore the outdoor space, truly a highlight of this property. The multi-level deck is perfect for entertaining, whether you're hosting a summer barbecue or simply enjoying a quiet evening. The deck overlooks a spacious yard complete with a pool and hot tub installed just 2 years ago. Located just 15 minutes from downtown, 1977 Post Drive Northeast offers the best of both worlds, privacy and convenience. You're close to shopping, the White Pine Trail, and top-rated school districts like Rockford, Comstock Park, and Northview. Whether you're looking for a quiet place to relax or a space to entertain, this home has something for everyone. If you're ready to experience all that 1977 Post Drive Northeast has to offer, we invite you to schedule a private tour today. And don't miss our open house events on Saturday, September 7th from 12 to 2 p.m. or Sunday from 2 to 4 p.m. We look forward to showing you around.